All right, I think we pretty much got this thing figured out. Just trying to see why it's not coming up on my live streaming tab. Guess I need to go to the page. Give me just a second here. I just want to make sure because I think I got the settings right now. I don't know what happened. I mean, I didn't mess with them or anything, but we'll see here. Okay, yeah. So looks like we're back up. See why it's not coming up on my live stream. Keep that volume off. I just want to see what kind of lag is here. I still don't like the resolution. I don't know if it's my service provider. I've reset everything, gone through the OBS. Anyways, neither here nor there. Just wanted to, as long as we're not getting drop frames or less drop frames, that seems to be quite a bit lower. I don't know how to get around that. If it's just going to get worse, who knows? But if that's better, let me know. If not, I may try a different platform to stream from. OBS may just have an issue with all the resources that I've got going in the background. I've got it down, where it's nowhere near as good as it used to be, but I have a lot of different portfolios open with different platforms. So I have a feeling that has a lot to do with it. Anyways, I'll just do a quick rundown of what actually happened today. This morning, looks like we bought HRZN. You can see it here. So that was a pullback, but I'm just removing that one. And we'll put a alert down in here to let us know when we're getting close, if we get there. But yeah, so that's a DCA, obviously. I think we had, 3 sells today. PAYX, which is Paychex, and Yum Brands. And I think it was on one of these other smaller portfolios here. NHC. I don't even know what NHC is. You would think I'd know them. I've traded this pretty frequently. But that would be easier to find it if I just go alphabetically. So yeah, National Healthcare Corporation. So nothing really to talk about, just another flat day pretty much. Bulls and bears fighting it out. That's good. We just keep collecting those dividends. Get ready for any type of move down. Looks like we're still moving for a little bit while. We got about another 3 minutes before that is closed for 15 minutes. And let's go over to the other. I'm not going to do any screen switching for a while, see if that helps as well. My frame rate drop is way down now, so and I still have the same amount of resources, but during market activity I think it really takes its toll. I've got a pretty stoked computer and video card, so I mean, going through all of that, we'll take a quick look at crypto. It's not doing anything. Profit on the month looks like we're about 490, 495 away from our target at 1400. Still nothing on crypto. Everybody knows about the LTC. It's the only CEF this week. And of course, TipRanks. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Like I said before, I don't know how they do their algorithms. I mean, they had me up in the top 5-star like a month ago or whatever. So who knows what their algorithm. Next month I might be up again. You just don't know. I think you've got to be with them for at least a year. I think I started with them in November. So you can see, November, December, somewhere around there. And I'm still way ahead of the S&P. But when you look at that, you're kind of like, well, what does it mean? I mean, you've got your success rate here, but these are the amount of trades we've made, 434. Now this is on just one small account. That's not all three. This is just the one. So they should mirror each other, even though we do have different stocks in each portfolio. But the whole idea is here, this, I think, from what I'm gathering from other people, is that the TipRanks, really likes people that trade a lot, but that constant in and out. But if you look at their number one guys had like one trade, so it's not really reflective of what somebody's actually doing in their portfolios. But it's the only thing we got going right now out here, so that you can see, to be transparent. The only thing I don't like about their site is they're not forthcoming with the trades that I'm actually making. So they just kind of limited it. And if you go on there and you look it up, you can look, the last trade was actually in March. And we all know that that's not right. So like I say, I don't know what they're doing. I'm just going to kind of leave it out there. If I get the screen switcher going again, let me know what you want to see, any type of metrics you want to see. Yeah, other than that, go back over here. Just a quick rack up for the day. Hopefully that stream looks a little bit better for you guys on other platforms. Still, I'm not going to go on to Twitter. I don't like how it shows up out there, and then it seems like it's ghosted or shadow banned, or however you want to say it. Some people saying that it's not functioning on their end, but other people say it is. So I don't know. But